Good morning, students. Welcome to English online class. Dear children, you know there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Children, 21 letters are consonant and 5 letters are vowels. Kids, in this video we will learn 3 vowel sounds A, E, I. Firstly, we will discuss on sound of vowel A. So children, listen the sound of vowel A.
This is the capital letter A. This is the small letter A. A. A.
Now children, open lesson 1 sound of vowel A. Children, vowel A sound is A. Firstly, recognize this picture. This is a picture of cat. Read here K A T cat. Next picture is mat. M A T mat. Next picture of bat. B A T bat. And the next picture of van. V-A-N van. Now children, come here, look and say aloud. Hat, hat, pat, pat, bat, bat, fat, rat. Nap, gap, tap, lap, map. Next, sound of vowel E. Children, listen the sound of vowel E.
This is a capital letter E. This is a small letter E. E. A.
Now children, open lesson 2 sound of vowel E. E sound is A. This is the picture of pen. P-A-N pan. This is the picture of hen. H-A-N hen. This is a picture of bed. B-A-D bed. And this is the picture of den. D-A-N den. Now look and say aloud. K-A-N can, M-A-N man, T-A-N tan, F-A-N fan, G-A-N gan. B-A-T bat, N-A-T net, G-A-T get, V-A-T wet, S-A-T set. Next, sound of vowel I. So children, listen the sound of vowel I.
Capital letter I. This is a small letter I. I.
E. Lesson 3 sound of vowel I. I sound is E. Children, this is the picture of bib. B-E-B, bib. This is the picture of pin. P-E-N, pin. This is the picture of lip. L-E-P, lip. Next, this is the picture of zip. Z-E-P, zip. And this is the picture of nib. Nib. N-E-B, nib. Look and say aloud. B-E-G, big. G-E-G, gig. Z-E-G, jig. D-E-G, dig. F-E-G, fig. E-N, sin. V-E-N, win. F-E-N, fin. B-E-N, bin. T-E-N, tin. Children, now start the copy work. B-A-T, bat. R-A-T, rat. M-A-N, man. S-A-D, sad. T-A-P, tap. T-A-N, tan. V-A-T, wet. N-A-T, net. L-A-G, leg. B-A-T, bat. B-E-G, big. V-E-N, win. T-E-N, tin. K-E-D, kid. B-E-N, bin. Now children, your turn. Do practice of reading vowel sound A, E, I from your book. Thank you.